a lot of people fail to seek professional advice before they are in crisis. Unfortunately for elder law attorneys, most of our cases are crisis or pre-crisis cases. People don't want to see a lawyer, and we all know that. And that's why we've designed this firm to be as friendly and innocuous as possible, because we want people to come in so that we can help them before they need help. Another thing that needs to be said, and I don't want anybody to think that I'm disparaging other professions, because I'm certainly not. But what we find over and over again is that people are relying on the wrong professionals. So if your accountant is giving you elder law advice, it's very often not going to be correct, because that's not something that they do every day. Okay. And what we're seeing all the time is, oh, my accountant said to get money out of my name for Medicaid purposes, I can give up to $15,000 per person per year. And that is true as tax guidance. But every year that you do that, you're creating a new potential transfer penalty for the 5 years immediately prior to a Medicaid filing. That's just an example. Very often people go to the attorney that did their real estate closing. And that person says, well, to themselves at least, they say, oh, I sat through an all-day continuing legal education class on elder law. There's actually one out there called Elder Law, Become an Elder Law Attorney in a Day, which is ridiculous. So now they feel like they're armed with enough education to be able to represent individuals in a very complicated area of the law. I very often liken the practice of elder law to a Rubik's Cube. So if you move one thing in your world, you're going to affect something else. Okay, going back to my first slide, if you transfer your home to your child, you've solved one problem. You've gotten the home out of your name, but you've created a whole other part of problems that you cannot resolve very easily, and may end up being worse than the problem that you were originally trying to solve.